Question number 8. A line passes through 3 minus 2 and he said find the locus. All of you know what is a locus is? Locus is the condition only. That means it is variable. As I have given you one example, what is locus? The locus of this moving point is its distance from the fixed point is, let us say, 5 units. Then this is the condition and we are taking variable x and y, so x minus this given point is whatsoever, let us say x1 y1, so x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square is equal to 5 square. So this is the locus, right? So locus is means a given particular condition. So he said find the locus of midpoint of the portion of the line intercepted between the axes. A line passes through 3 minus 2. Let us say this is the line which passes through 3 minus 2. Portion between the axes and its middle point M. We have to find the locus of M. Means path traced out by this moving point M in a given condition. What is the condition given here is that it passes through 3 minus 2. That is the only condition given. So line this can be like this. It can be like this also. It passes through 3 minus 2. Then in that case this will be the middle point. Now you can see that it is making a path. This M is making a path. If it is like this, then middle point will be somewhere here. Then it is making a path. So you have to find that path, equation of that path. Locus is basically the equation or the path traced out by the point, right? So first of all, as we know this is the middle point, we are considering this as A0, this is 0B. End point is, let us say, x1 y1. End point is, let us say, x1 y1. Then A plus 0, midpoint formula, A plus 0 upon 2 is equal to x1 and 0 plus B upon 2 is equal to y1. So we got here that A is equal to 2x1 and B is equal to 2y1. A and B. Now what will be the equation of line AB? Equation of AB, x upon A is 2x1 plus y upon B is 2y1 is equal to 1. Now what is the only condition of this line? That line passes through 3 minus 2. Line passes through 3 minus 2. So 3 and minus 2. Is equal to 1. This is your required condition. Just in place of x1, y1, you just put x and y because locus variable point means anywhere on the line. So, and on simplifying you will get it that 3 take its LCM 2 x1 y1, then it is 3 y1 minus 2x1 is equal to 1 and 3y minus 2x is equal to 2xy. So 3y minus 2x minus 2xy is equal to 0 is your required equation of the line. So equation, locus means just the equation. Area of a triangle, next question, area of triangle formed by the axis and a line is 6 square units. What he says? He says area between a line and x and y axis is 6 square units. And the length of hypotenuse is given 5. Length of hypotenuse, let us say AB, find the equation of AB. Question is to find the equation of the line. Area is given 6. As this is A 0 and 0B, we are considering to find the equation. Then you can say area of this, if this is A and this is B, then half AB is equal to 6. We got AB is equal to 12. Second condition given was hypotenuse length is 5 units. That's why we got A square plus B square is equal to 5 square. Now two equations are given. Just solve these two equations and you will get A and B. How to solve it? If A square, B square and AB are given, you can write plus 2AB. So we will get A plus B directly. That A plus B is A square plus B square means 25 plus 2AB means 24. That is 49. That means A plus B is equal to plus minus 7. Same way, second thing, A minus B whole square will be A square plus B square minus 2AB. Identities we are using just to simplify, otherwise you can put the value of B from here to here. That is substitution. But identities, then it will be, calculations will be more simple in that case. So A square plus B square is 25 minus 2AB is 24. So we got it 1 and we got A minus B is equal to plus minus 1. Now A plus B is 7 and A plus B is minus 7. A minus B is 1, A minus B is minus 7. We do have 4 cases here. I am giving you that if A plus B is 7 and A minus B is 1, then on solving these two we got 2A is equal to 8 and A is equal to 4. If A is equal to 4, B is equal to, if A is 4, then B will be 3. And we got the equation x upon 4 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. That is 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 1 is your required equation. I have considered only one case when A plus B is 7, A minus B is 1. If A plus B is minus 7, A minus B is 1. In that case you solve and find. So we will get 4 equations like this. Write it down.